Click on this subscribe button to watch more videos on my YouTube channel. To get latest notifications and updates about my videos, click on this bell icon. Hi friends, in this video I am going to explain attach, clip and edges. These are the three commands I want to explain in this tutorial. And go on to the Auto-Cad new file. I am creating the one of the new file and go on to the Auto-Cad, select the Auto-Cad and the open on the below and open with no template metric. I am choosing the metric and go on to the one of the file is appears on the screen and go on to the insert. Already explained the block definition and the blocks in my previous tutorials, you can also observe. And this is the reference tab. On the reference has different types of tools, attach, clip and adjust. I will explain about the underlays and the frames varies also in my next tutorial. See the full tutorial and go on to the attach and clip and adjust. I want to explain these three commands. You can also, by using the commands, you can give the objects to attach the files and click on the attach file. I am attaching the one of the file where you have the one of the image file or any of the PDF files you can attach on the Auto-Cad file. I will show you and go on to the I'm selecting the one of the image file is there, JPG file, and select this and open. Before opening you want to attach the file in image files and DW files are there and the PDF files. If you select what file you want to attach, then the Auto-Cad performs like this. This is the image file, then only I'm selecting the all images files. What appears on the all the image files are appears, and I'm giving the one of the shaft thumb is there and click on one of the attach images. One of the dialog box will appear. You want to see any of the details and you want to part type. I want to change the scale also in the scale, and you want to change the insertion points of XYZ also. It possible on the attach image. And this is the details of the resolution of the drawing, and it asks the select the first point and the end point. It asks see the specified insertion point on the X related to the XY. I am giving the point, select this and drag like this. How much I want to scale. You want to change the image also by using the scale command. And this is the one of the images attached onto the drawing file. This is the attach command to perform the any of the image files or PDF files or DW files are simply attaching onto the Auto-Cad file. Next I want to explain about the clip and select the clip option on the reference, and after the clip it asks the select the object. Nothing but object is nothing but is the image or PDF image. See, before you want to going on to the clip, should on the dynamic input. On the below dynamic option is there, and go to the dynamic input settings. You can observe the dynamic input settings, enable pointer layout, all it check the marks, and I will show you. And go into the clip option, the clip command. After on in the dynamic input and the clip, click on the clip and it asks the select the object to clip. I am selecting this image and in the C enter image clipping option. The four options is available: on, off and delete and new boundary. Assuming this, see, you select the new boundary option. I'm selecting the new boundary. Where you want to clip the object or to crop the object. Simply select that part and drag to the one of the end point and the first point and end point. See, the clip is created. This the remove of the material is all of the image is removed, and what you want the clip is shown on the figure. I will explain this in again. See, this is the object. By using the Ctrl Z, I am going to the previous, undo, and I am giving the clip like this. Select the object and the new boundary. Before that, I want to copy this, CO enter, and copy the object to this side, because that image are also required to explain about the adjust command. Then only I am like this, and again the clip option and select the new boundary. You should on the dynamic input, and I am dragging the object. I want to require this clip. See, simply automatically the CAD is created the clip by using the clip. You can also use the command also. This is possible. This is the previous image. After the clip is created, the image is created like this on the right side, on the left side, and this clip is completed. I want to adjust this image. We want to modify the image in the brightness and the contrast and the fade. Then adjust command is very useful in this image or any of the PDF files, and go into the adjust, click on the edges, select image, and after selecting the image, click on enter option. You should enter, then it appears the different types of image options: contrast, fade, brightness. The three options are available on the adjust operation. I want to change the contrast or fade or brightness. I'm clicking on the contrast. See, I want to change the contrast. First I'm giving the contrast, enter contrast value 0 to 100. It is showing I'm giving the 60 contrast. See, the contrast is changed. The image is somewhat contrasted to 60. I will give you the fade and brightness also, and click the edges and click the object and select the object and give the fade. I'm giving the fade to, for example, I'm giving the fade option to 50. See, the fade is created, then it is the not brighter than the before. The brightness is lower by giving the fade. Again, I'm adjusting the option, select the object and click on enter and click on brightness value. I'm with the brightness 100. The brightness is more. The image is not visible on the screen. I want to again change the brightness value and click on edges and simply select this and give the brightness. I want to give in less 50. See, I want to change the fade also to 0 and go on to the edges and select the image and click on enter. After that, select the image, click on enter and click on the fade option and give the 0, value is 0. If you give the fade increases, the image does not appears on the clear on the screen. The fade is entered on the total screen. This is the attach, clip and adjust command for tutorials for the beginners.